Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Uptime Kuma for VPS uptime monitoring, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Uptime Kuma website. Look for the Get Started or Download section. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system or VPS. If you're using a VPS, select the option for Docker installation. Follow the provided installation instructions specific to Docker. Once Docker is installed, open your terminal. Run the command to pull the latest Uptime Kuma image. After the image is pulled, create a new container using the appropriate command. Make sure to specify the necessary environment variables, such as the database type. Start the Uptime Kuma container. Wait for the container to launch successfully. Open a new tab in your browser. Type the local IP address followed by the port number that Uptime Kuma is running on. This is usually http://localhost 3001. Upon loading, you'll see the Uptime Kuma welcome screen. Click on the Create Account button. Fill in the required fields to set up your account. Choose a username and enter a secure password. Complete any CAPTCHA requirements if prompted. Submit your account information. Once your account is created, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to the Uptime Kuma dashboard. To start monitoring a service, click on the Add Monitor button. Fill in the details of the service you want to monitor. Select the type of monitor that suits your service needs. Enter the URL or IP address for the service you want to track. Configure the monitoring intervals based on your preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.